This video tutorial I will explain what is Maven. Maven is a powerful and widely used build automation and project management tool in the world of software development. Maven helps programmers to manage their projects, handle dependencies, and streamline the process of building, testing, and deploying the software. Imagine you are working on the complex puzzle, and each piece of the puzzle is different part of your software project. Maven is like the organizer that helps you to put all the pieces together in the right way. Now we will see the key concepts of Maven. The first point is project management. When you start a new project, you need to organize your code, resources like images and configuration files, and other related files. Maven helps you to create a structured project layout, which make it easier to find and manage different components. The second point is dependency management. Most software projects rely on external libraries or components to work properly. These external pieces are called dependencies. Maven helps you to specify these dependency in a configuration file, which is nothing but pom.xml, and automatically downloads and manages them for you. Maven ensures that your project always has the correct versions of the required libraries. Third point is build automation. Building a software project involves compiling the source code, running tests, and packaging everything into a usable format and more. Maven automates this entire process. With a simple command, Maven can compile your code, execute tests, and generate the final output. Fourth point is consistency. Maven enforces a consistent way of building projects across different team members and environments. This reduces the chances of errors due to inconsistent configurations. Fifth point is reusability. If you have multiple projects that share a similar components or configurations, then Maven lets you to create reusable parent projects that define common settings. This helps to maintain a consistent development approach across related projects. Sixth point is reporting. Maven can generate various reports about your project like code quality, test coverage, and more. These reports provides insights into the health and progress of your software. Seventh point is plugins. Maven has a vast collection of plugins that extends its functionality. These plugins can be used to perform specialized tasks like deploying your project into a server, generating documentation, or creating executable files. Now we will see the summary of Maven. Now we will see the simple analogy to help you to understand better. We can think of Maven as a skilled chef in a restaurant kitchen. The chef manages all the ingredients needed for each dish and follows a consistent recipe to prepare the dish and ensures that every dish meets a certain quality standard. And in this analogy, ingredients are equivalent to dependencies, and each dish is equivalent to project, and recipe is equivalent to build process, and quality standard is equivalent to reporting. In summary, Maven is like your project assistant that handles the nitty gritty details of managing dependencies, building, and reporting. So you can focus on writing great code and creating valuable software. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more, and here you can see the description, and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.